In this video I'm going to show you how to search for text messages on iPhone. So first open up your Messages app and then just scroll up until this search appears. Tap on search and here you can see links, photos, all of your past history. You can click on see all to see all of this. Now you can go to search and type in like, let's say, photo, and if there's any with the photo it will be shown. If I type in link, all of the messages that contain a link will be here. Then if you want to exit, just click on cancel, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I do my best to help you.